this piece of garbage. Alright? Husky, right, Home Depot. The only reason I bought the damn thing is because I needed it quickly. First sign that this is a piece of garbage is when you got latches, but you got these tabs because your latches don't even hold. Yeah, this is the one. Sure, you get this with no middle setting, so when you want to cut your threads and then back off like you're supposed to, no way. You have to fiddle with it, and that just makes things worse. Bunch of useless other things, and a bunch of useless broken tabs. Yes, that broke inside of one of the parts I needed, so that was fun. For 3 hours it took me to get it out. There's a bunch of other ones here. This 1/4 inch one, the threads got all mangled up against aluminum. Supposedly HSS, high speed steel. It failed against aluminum, and crappy aluminum contaminated with tin at that. Although let's be real, most of you are going to watch this and be like, oh, I like his stuff, but I'm not going to sign up for that. I'm not going to subscribe. God forbid. Give the guy a donation. YouTube is free. Nothing's free, assholes. Bunch of moochers. I'm picking out all this old Teflon. Yeah, nothing is free. There was a time when you wanted to watch online that you had to subscribe and pay for it. But then, here comes Google. And what does Google do? Makes you work like a slave for 2 years without any pay, with dangling the carrot of monetization in front of you, and then they take it away. And they say, well, you're not appropriate for advertisers. But guess what happens later? Then they say, no. We're going to add ads. You know, even though we won't let you monetize it because you're not advertiser friendly, but when we do it, same content, same cursing, same other jokes and attitude, that's good for Coca-Cola now. What? Right. Now I made you feel like crap, and now you won't subscribe because, oh, this guy's a downer. Well, I'm not always like this, alright? So if you're smart enough and you can see past all that, you know, the fact that I'm pushing through, you look at this house, it looks all fancy, but it ain't. It's not even my house. Basically renting from the state. Haven't paid a mortgage in over a year since this stupid virus. But whatever, I'll stay here until they kick me out. Then I'll live in the bus. So the idea is I'll keep pushing. I'll keep trying. As long as there's at least a couple of you. So yeah, if you can afford to, I would help out. And I will be posting on Subscribestar exclusive content. It's going to be behind the paywall. Yeah, damn straight. You know what? Because some of those videos, it takes work. It takes about, I don't know, about 12 hours to edit each one of these 10-minute episodes. That takes a lot of time. I'm Alexander the Great. I'm telling you, get back to work. Don't forget what the hell I told you, alright?